Alright guys, so welcome to this video. So there's actually a new update on Mexc crypto exchange. It is just very little one, nothing much, but it's still very important to let you guys know about it because you could be lucky enough to earn up to $1,000 through this medium. Though we have a minimum withdrawal to the minimum earning right there to be around 0.5 to $1, but still it's important to put this to you guys so that you guys can try it out at your own end. After trying it, let me know on the comment section how much you were able to earn through this little opportunity that we have right here. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and make sure that your Mexc crypto exchange is up to date. All right, so you go ahead and open it up, right now. You can see this is how everything is going to be looking like over here. Okay, but what you need to do right now to get this done is to simply go ahead and click over here that we have more. Okay, you click on it, and once you click on it, you need to scroll down until you see this right here, Mexc Monopoly. All right, so you go ahead and click on it. All right, so clicking on it right now allow it to load up immediately, and you are going to be brought right here. Okay, so over here guys, you can see play game to earn up to 500,000 USD, and over here guys, it is just very simple guys. It's very simple. Let me show you how it works. So first of all guys, you can see this event actually started on the 21st of May 2025, meaning that it started today actually. And right now guys, you can see these are the rules right here. You need to take note of the rules. The first one is how to participate during the event. Register, log in, and complete game tasks to earn roles. After each dice roll, the spaceship will advance in the game map according to the dice results, and users will receive reward based on their landing position. Guaranteed win with every roll. With each dice roll, user will receive a random reward such as tokens, airdrop, or future bonuses. So over here guys, these are the the things you need to put in mind right here. The first one says the event includes two reward mechanisms, dice roll and leaderboard, both of which can be earned simultaneously. Deposit and trade are limited to specific user for each task, and each user can only participate once during the event. For the referral task, each user can participate up to 3 times during the event period. Users must complete tasks, and just go ahead and read all this right here, but I think let me just finish it up. Users must complete tasks and earn rules during the events to qualify for the leaderboard ranking. Rules obtained through rules again will not count towards the leaderboard. Make sure you are understanding this. Note, in rare cases, task status updates may be delayed up to 10 minutes. All right, so right now we have another one. This is literally, they are just trying to tell you the things that you might encounter while trying to participate on this. Okay, so let's now go ahead and register ourselves first. So over here guys, over here you can see these are the things that you could win through this. You can see you can win one role, you can win 1 USD voucher, 5 USD voucher, 10 USD voucher, and 100 USD voucher, up to 1 soul, up to 100 Doge token, up to 1 BTC, and so on. So right now guys, we go ahead and click on register first. You can see this event is going to be ending this month of May. You can see we have just 10 days left, so you go ahead and click on register. Okay, you click on register, and once you click on register, you can see registration successful. You have successfully registered for Mexc Monopoly. You click on got it. So right now automatically you are going to have one chance to roll these dice. Okay, so right now guys, if you are able to get this one right here, you should be very lucky about that. So right now guys, we have to go ahead and click on roll the dice. Okay, so right now you can see how the dice is rolling, and let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, you can see right now you have won 1 USD voucher. The reward will be issued after review. The final amount is subject to actual distribution and can be checked in reward history. So right now immediately we have been able to get 1 USDT. So remember, you can see that this reward is going to be issued after review, meaning that after they review everything, that is when you can be able to get your 1 USD. So go ahead and try it out at your own end. Okay, so right now I will click on got it right now. Let's see the next thing we're gonna have right here. You can see complete tasks to roll. So where are the tasks? So you click over here on task list. All right, so over here on tax free, we have some couple of things that you can do right here to earn. The first one is completed, okay, 0 out of 3. Invite one friend to sign up, and your referee must complete a total deposit of 100 USD within 7 days of their first deposit. Meaning that for you to complete this one, you must invite someone, and that person must, get to deposit up to 100 USD within 7 days for this task to count. And over here, you can see each task you complete, you actually earn one role. And over here, guys, you can see we have the second one saying invite one friend to sign up. They must deposit $100 and above within 7 days of their first deposit and trade up to $500 in futures for you to get this one rule right here. Each task you complete actually comes with one rule. So over here we have this one: invite friend to sign up. They must deposit greater than 100 USD within 7 days of their first deposit and trade up to $1,000 in USD, in future trading for you to earn this other chance of rolling a dice right here. So this is the task right now, and this is what you need to know. But getting someone to do this, honestly, it could be very difficult, but some people could be lucky enough to get someone that could do it. So but this is what we have right now, and this is the updates you need to take today. All right, so go ahead and complete the task. At least get yourself the 1 USD right here. And over here, guys, you can see we have this reward history right here, and this is where you actually get to see your reward right here. And over here, this is the one that I got right here on this video, and you can see it is currently under review, and after the review I'm going to be getting my 1 USD. All right, so this is the latest update right now in town, which you need to take note of. And right now this is now up to you to choose if you want to do it or not, but I strongly recommend you to go and try it out, at least get your 1 USD. All right, so thank you guys for watching, guys, and this is the update that I have for you guys right now. If you have any question, let me have it right there in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are heading straight to 10,000 subscribers, and also do not forget to let me know what you think about this video. Remember, the link to register is going to be right there on the comment section, and I will talk to you guys on the next video that's going to be dropping very soon.